The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV Portal, your online self-service portal, available anytime, anywhere. Through your activated MyDMV Portal account, you can renew or replace your commercial driver's license. If you are accessing MyDMV Portal from a cell phone, you can get to the menu by tapping the 3 lines at the top of the screen. The menu and options are listed here. Just select a service to begin. If you are accessing MyDMV Portal using a laptop, then the menu options are along the top of the screen. Select Shop here, then Renew/Replace My License. Alternatively, you can select Commercial License, then Renew or Replace Commercial Driver's License. Review your active military status and make a selection if applicable. Residential address and mailing address. Then select Update. Next. In the Commercial Driver License panel, select an eligible service to complete. Read and answer any additional questions. The next button will not work until all required questions are answered. When you are finished, select Next. Next, read the National Registry of Certified Medical Examiners information and select Yes or No to currently holding a valid medical waiver exemption or skills performance evaluation certificate. Then, select Next. If you selected Yes to having a valid medical waiver and there is not a V restriction on your driver's license, or if you selected No and there is a V restriction on your driver's license, you will be asked to visit a Florida DMV or tax collector's office to complete your transaction. If you selected No and there is not a V restriction on your driver's license, or if you selected Yes and there is a V restriction on your driver's license, carefully read each certification type and declare your medical certification status. Read and agree to the perjury statement, then select Next. Review the confirmation screen. Use the back or edit address buttons to return to previous screens. If all information is correct, select Add to Cart. Review transaction details on the shopping cart preview screen and select the Checkout button when ready to complete the checkout process. Your renewal or replacement request will now be processed. You should receive your credential in the mail within 7 to 10 business days.